But anyway, here on my platform, you would see that my app is ready. Again. Now, the brand name is Care Plus, and this is what Care Plus helps me do. Now, it has located nearby medical centers, hospital, doctors in charge. You can book, you can view on map, and all of that. But so, guys, don't count on 100% though, because there's what we call hallucination in AI. That makes AI just begin to give you results. It may not know the answer, but it can be confident in the wrong answers. And when you take that home, trust me, it's going to mess you up, right? You can literally argue the wrong thing. Do you understand? So yeah, please understand that the results that it gives you should be tested, should be vetted. Do you guys? So you don't carry on the wrong knowledge.